time of world pandemic, it's important na mag-stay home tayo. And why? Kasi dito, kapag nag-stay home tayo, bumabagal lang yung transmission ng virus. Kung merong nasa outside or nasa surface ng mga virus, kung nasa bahay lang tayo, mas napapabagal ang pag-transmit nito. At kung hindi ito maisasalin sa isang tao, maaaring maglaho na lang ito sa ating mga paligid. Kaya it's important na magkaroon ng social distancing, proper hand washing, and especially, napaka-importante ang stay home. So, before I start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am Ronin DR, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube channel. Paano nga ba magiging worth it ang stay home natin? Ano ba yung mga paraan o kailangan natin gawin para makatulong tayo at mas maging productive ito? So first, we need to be knowledgeable. So, this is the time para maging knowledgeable tayo. Ito yung time na pwede tayong magbasa. Remember, we have to read in reliable sources. Huwag tayong pasa na ng mga fake news. Huwag tayong dumagdag sa stress ng mga tao. So, ito yung time para maging knowledgeable tayo. Paano ba natatransmit ang COVID? Ano ba yung mga preventive measures na pwede natin gawin? Bakit mahalaga na mag-stay home tayo sa bahay? So, kapag once knowledgeable na tayo sa COVID, the next one, we have to discover ourselves. Okay, ito yung time na pwede natin gawin. Tulad ko, I did some paintings, nagpipaintings ako, nagbabasa ako, umaattend ako ng mga seminars, para mas marami akong matutunan, para hindi ako basta stay home lang, natutulog. So, gusto ko marami akong matutunan. And especially, ito yung panahon para makadiscover tayo ng new things. Na baka mamaya marunong pala tayong mag-drawing, hindi lang natin nagagawa kasi nata tayong busy. So this time, make ourselves busy in a productive way. 2, make sure to eat healthy and helps to boost our immunity. So bakit nga ba napaka-importante? This is a very timely. So, anong pwede natin gawin? First, we have to eat healthy foods and vegetables. Like rich in vitamin C. We need a vitamin A rich in vitamin A and zinc because it helps to boost our immune system, and at the same time, it's good for our skin. Next is we have at least to do exercise every day. Pwedeng umaga or gabi. Ako ginagawa ko umaga and gabi. Gumagawa ko ng Zumba. Gusto ko yan. Kasi piling ko gumagalaw yung buong katawan ko. I'm not doing that just to help me to lose weight, but also for me to become healthy. Kasi napapansin ko, masyado akong mabilis ng mapagod. Tsaka masyado ng maraming sumasakit sa mga katawan ko. Alam mo naman, hindi na tayo bumabata. Number 3, search on how we can be helpful. It's very important na maging helpful tayo. Ang pagiging stay home ay napaka-importante, napakamalaking tulong. Instead na mag-bash, create bashing, hating, posting something not good, why don't we try to look something that we can help? Malay mo yung konting maibibigay mo pag pinagsama-sama, mas marami tayong matutulungan. So I'm not here to tell kung ano yung mga nitulong ko, but I'm here to encourage you guys na tumulong. Especially sa mga frontliners natin. Alam naman natin na hanggang ngayon medyo nagkakaroon ng problem sa mga PPEs. So may mga kaibigan akong tumulong at nagbigay ng mga donasyon about that. Don't forget din, marami ang mga nawalan ng trabaho, kaya napaka-importante magtulong-tulong. Let's build unity and love over this pandemic. We're not here to create something we fight. Tama na yung mga hatings. Ito yung panahon na kailangan mas i-understand natin ang isa't isa, ito yung panahon na napaka-importante na meron tayong pagkakaisa. Number 4, spend your time with your family and have a time to bond with them. So, sabi nga, ito yung time na kakain tayo together with our family, exercise, bond with them, spend natin to. I mean, i-enjoy natin. Enjoy natin to yung time na to na kasama yung pamilya. Me, as an OFW, make sure na I call my family in the Philippines, my mom, my dad, my sisters, also yung mga tita ko sa London, and make sure na kinakamusta ko sila everyday kasi syempre lahat sila naka-stay home na. So I want them na inform na I'm okay. So kaya this is really important. Yung mga hindi mo nakakausap, hindi lang yung family, yung mga friends mo, pwede mo silang i-chat. This is the time para kamustahin natin sila. Spend at least 1 to 2 hours. Wala muna tayong social media. Nagawa ko to. I have to rest myself. Ayoko ma-stress. Hindi muna ako magbabasa ng anything, bad, mga bad news or anything. Ay, sobrang stress. Pwede rin tayo bumaba ang immune system natin. So, at least 1 to 2 hours or kung kaya mo, just spend more time. Maybe 6, have a self-reflection. So, I have with me my journal. So, every day, ito, matagal ko na siyang notebook. Nilalagay ko na yung, matagal ko na siya kasama. So, medyo makapal siya. Nilalagay ko dito yung mga self-reflections ko, kung kanino ko gusto may sabihin, isulat sa lahat ng mga nararamdaman ko, kung nalulungkot ako. So, I make sure I put it here. Dito ko rin nilalagay yung mga gusto kong content for YouTube. Yan, dito. Sobrang helpful ito. At the same time, alam mo yun, mas na-organize mo yung sarili mo. And, of course, most important is pray. We need to pray. Ito yung important, most important na kailangan natin gawin ngayong stay home. We need to bond ourselves. Gamitin natin itong pagkakataon para mas mapalapit tayo sa Diyos. Spend at least an hour or more than an hour. Kausapin natin siya, kamustahin, ask Him for guidance, for everyone's safety, hindi lang yung sa sarili natin. This is the time. We have to pray for everyone. Kasi sobrang dami na nangyayari ngayon. Good news and bad news. We need Him. We need Him this time. We need His protection, guidance, and everything. So, I hope mas makilala natin si Jesus. We have to, sabi ko nga sa inyo, we need to be knowledgeable, not only by physical or anything, but we have to be knowledgeable. Mas lalo natin pagyamanin yung spiritual health. This is a short vlog, but I hope na may matutunan kayo dito. At maging productive yung stay home natin. This is all important. Nasa sa inyo yan kung ano pang gusto nyo. You can comment down below kung meron pa kayong gustong idagdag para mas maging productive yung stay home nyo. And please, don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel. And guys, paalala lang, stay home is very, very important. Yourself is safe and healthy. I love you. Bye! Thank you for watching.